Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. It's Mimi here, and of course for Valentine's Day we have another Under the Stars scrapbook layout process video to share, because why not? Under the Stars is all things dreamy and romantic, so let's get into it. This picture, is a picture of me and my boyfriend on my graduation. That's pretty much what a lot of the photos are of me and him at my graduation, or me and him in Amsterdam. But I did just get some new pictures printed, so that's pretty exciting, and those will be used in the next album for sure. And I did get those for free from Snapfish, and if you don't follow me on TikTok already, make sure you do so, because I shared the deal on how to get completely free photos there when the deal was happening. So definitely follow me on TikTok, because I'll share more deals with photos, pages, embellishments, things like that. So if you're looking for me on social media, I'm at MimilyMade pretty much everywhere, or you'll find me there. So yeah, let's get started with adding the embellishments to this page. I decided that it'd be pretty cool to kind of make those leaves on the bottom of the page 3D instead of just keeping them in the background. So I used these glitter leaves that I cut off a vine that was from a Christmas sprig, I guess you could say, that you kind of use in wreaths. But I just cut them off and turned them into the flower petals on the bottom of the page, and I thought that was pretty smart of me. I was pretty proud of myself. So yeah, I think it looks really good. I like this sticker at the top. It says the story of us, and it's just kind of one of those clear stickers. So I added it to the blue paper to just give it a little more definition. I was going to say dimension, but definition. Because, you know, if it's clear, everything else is falling behind it, you can't really read it. So the blue definitely helps. But that is pretty much it for this scrapbook page. I think I add a few gems on here, but that's kind of it. And I really like how simple it came out. And the bottom of the page really creates most of the kind of eye-catching stuff anyways. So it's a pretty easy layout to complete. If this layout inspires you, make sure you tag me in your creations on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all of that. You know where to find me. And yeah, if you're interested in having this layout in your own album, you can get it at my shop. It's linked in the description below. But that completes this video, and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you do something sweet for yourself, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye!